2014. Among the following complexes, the one which shows zero crystal field stabilization energy, that is CFSE, is given. Options are A. MnH2O6 3+, B. FeH2O6 3+, C. COH2O6 2+, D. COH2O6 3+. As you know that for CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy is equal to minus 0.4 into T2G orbital acquired number of electron minus 0.6 into number of electron present in EG orbital. Now, according to this formula, we will find the different values of CFSE of given different compound in different option and check that for which complex value of CFSE becomes 0. Now, here in given option A, that complex is given MnH2O6 3+, which having Mn 3+ central metal ion and its electronic configuration that Mn 3+ argon core complete 3d4. Hence you will find that 1 2 3 4 5, that is 3d orbital with 4 unpaired electron 1 2 3 4, which is splitting in octahedral field delta O, lower energy level 3 orbital known as T2G, higher energy occupying 2 orbitals known as EG. Now here H2O is weak ligand and hence you can easily understood that delta O less than pairing energy, and hence according to Aufbau laws, electron enter into T2G and EG splitting orbitals becomes unpaired. So 1 2 3 and 4 electrons enter in such a way, and electronic configuration that is T2G 3 EG 1. Now, according to this electronic configuration, value of CFSE is equal to minus 0.4 into 3 minus 0.6 into 1. So you will get minus 1.2 plus 0.6. So you will obtain that is minus 0.6, that is not equal to 0. So option A is not your correct option. Now in option B, that complex given Fe H2O 6 times plus 3+, in which central metal ion Fe3+ having 3d5 electronic configuration. Now you easily find that Fe plus 3 electronic configuration argon core complete 3d5, and as you know that H2O provide weak ligand field, So you will find that in 5 3D orbitals of Fe3 plus under octahedral ligand field, splitting in less amount takes place with lower energy level T2G orbital and higher energy level EG orbital. Fe3 plus atomic orbital 3D acquire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unpaired electron. Here you know that under weak ligand field of H2O, delta O is greater than pairing energy. Hence, you can understand, less than pairing energy, and hence your electron becomes unpaired 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, electronic configuration of splitting orbital, that is T2G 3 Eg2. Now put this value in earlier equation for calculation of CFSE is equal to minus 0.4 into 3 minus of minus 0.6 into 2. So you will obtain minus 1.2 minus minus plus 1.2. So finally into delta O, so you will obtain that 0 delta O. So final value of CFSE becomes 0 delta O for option B, and they are asking that for which complex you will obtain value of CFSE becomes 0. So option B is your correct option. With the similar method, you can check with option C and D, which does not gives 0 delta O value. So your option B is correct option. You will go with option B. 2013. A magnetic moment at 1.73 Bohr magneton will be shown by one among the following. Given options are A. TiCl4, B. COCl6 4 minus, C. CuNH3 4 2 plus, D. NiCN4 2 minus. Only basis of spin, magnetic moment mu is equal to under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Now one by one calculate the value of spin moment mu for given options. In option A, TiCl4, central atom Ti having plus 4, oxidation state in which electronic configuration that Ti plus 4, 22, that argon core complete 3d 0. Hence, number of unpaired electron present in d orbital, that you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 electron, and value of mu is equal to under root n into n plus 2, that is under root 0 into 0 plus 2, that is 0, 0 Bohr magneton. So A is not your answer, because value of mu you will obtain 1.73 Bohr magneton. Now in option B, that is COCl6 4 minus, here you find that cobalt having plus 2 oxidation state with electronic configuration that argon core complete 27 atomic number. So you will find that 3d7, in which you will find that d electrons having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the 3 unpaired electron, and that's why mu is equal to under root 3 into 3 plus 2, that is under root 15. So value of mu becomes 3.87 Bohr magneton, which is not equal to 1.73. Now according to option C, that CuNH3 4 times with the 2 plus charge, in which central metal ion Cu2 plus having electronic configuration argon core complete 3d9. Now you find that in d orbital 9 electrons are present, from which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Only one electron becomes unpaired. So value of mu, that is 1 into 1 plus 2, that is under root 3, 1.73 Bohr magneton. So for this complex CuNH3 4 times 2 plus, magnetic moment on the basis of spin motion only, that is 1.73 Bohr magneton according to asked in question. So your correct option is C. You will go with C. CuNH3 4 2 plus complex having value of magnetic moment mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. With the similar way, you will check with the option D. It is not given. The magnetic moment mu is equal to 1.73. So D is not your correct option. You will go with only C. For D complex, you can calculate yourself and get the value of mu, which is not equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. 2013. Crystal field splitting energy for high spin D4 octahedral complex is, given options are A minus 1.2 delta O, B minus 0.6 delta O, C minus 0.8 delta O, D minus 1.6 delta O. As you know that for high spin complex, value of delta O less than pairing energy, and hence electron are unpaired in splitting orbital. Now here they are given that in D4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5d orbitals having 1, 2, 3 and 4 electron, which is splitting in octahedral crystal field with the higher energy level Eg orbital and lower energy level T2G orbital, in which electrons are enter into unpaired 1, 2, 3 and 4, and hence electronic configuration is T2G 3 Eg1. Now that CFSE crystal field stabilization energy is equal to minus 0.4 into number of electron present in T2G orbital minus of minus 0.6 into number of electron present in Eg orbital. Here minus 0.4 into 3 minus of minus 0.6 into 1. So finally you will obtain minus 1.2 into delta O, octahedral field delta O, that you can understood, minus 1.2 plus 0.6 into delta O. So finally you will obtain minus 0.6 into delta O. That is value of CFSE, in which that D4 system with high spin complex final value of CFSE becomes minus 0.6 into delta O, and that is given in option B. You will go with option B, that is your correct option. 2013. Which among the following is a paramagnetic complex? Given options are A. CONH36 plus 3, B. PTEnCl2, C. COBr4 2 minus, D. MoCO6. Here you have to find that in given option A, B, C and D, which complex is paramagnetic. Now in given option A, that is CONH3 6 times plus 3, having central metal ion CO3 plus with electronic configuration that CO plus 3 27 argon core complete 3d6. Here you find that NH3 is strong ligand and hence 5 3d orbitals of CO2 plus splitting in octahedral crystal field with the higher energy, and Eg form with the higher energy of atomic orbital, and T2G lower energy from atomic orbital. Now in 3D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electrons are present. Because of strong ligand field of NH3, here you find that splitting energy in octahedral field is greater than that of pairing energy, and that's why electron becomes paired in T2G lower energy level. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hence electronic configuration that T2G 6 Eg 0. You can see that in T2G orbital all electrons becomes paired, and that's why this complex CONH3 6 3 plus becomes diamagnetic. So A is not your correct option. Similarly, you will check with option B, that is PTEnCl2. Here you find that En is strong and under strong ligand field, rearrangement takes place in d orbital of Pt, and hence it is also becomes diamagnetic. You will check with atomic number Pt is 78 and oxidation state of Pt is +2. You can check with yourself by this method. Now in option C, that is COBr 4 times 2 minus, having central metal ion CO2 plus, in which electronic configuration that is 3d7. Now in 3d7 5d electron d orbitals 2, 3, 4, 5 splitting in octahedral ligand field with higher energy level Eg and lower energy level, that is T2G. Now here Br with weak ligand field, hence value of delta O less than pairing energy, and hence electronic configuration that you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons are entered unpairedly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, electronic configuration of splitting energy, that T2G 5 Eg2, in which you will find that in T2G 1 unpaired electron and in Eg 2 unpaired electron. So total 3 unpaired electron present in that complex COBr4 2 minus, and hence it becomes paramagnetic. So you will go with the correct option, that is C, with the paramagnetic complex. Similarly, you will check with option D. They are given, that is MoCO6. You can go with the atomic mass of molybdenum with 42 and its oxidation state is 0. Then you find it is also becomes diamagnetic because of strong ligand field of carbonyl ligand. So D option is also incorrect. That's why you will go with only option C, with the complex COBr4 2 minus becomes paramagnetic. That you understood very well. 2013. Which is diamagnetic? Given options are A, COF6 3 minus, B, NiCN4 2 minus, C, NiCl4 2 minus, D, FeCN6 3 minus. As we discussed in earlier or previous question, how to find out that paramagnetism or diamagnetism, that you understood. Now in this question you will go with option B, that is NiCN6 2 minus complex having Ni2 plus central metal ion with electronic configuration 3d8. Now you find that 3d 5 orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the 8 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 splitting in octahedral ligand field. Here you find that higher energy level Eg orbital and lower energy level T2G orbital. You will find here Cn minus is strong ligand, and under this strong ligand splitting of delta O in octahedral geometry or crystal field, that you easily found that value of splitting energy delta O is greater than pairing energy, and hence electron first try to becomes unpaired, and that's why electronic configuration that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons are entered, and finally electronic configuration of the splitting orbital, that is T2G 6 Eg2, and hence you easily find that 2 unpaired electron is present, and that's why you consider that is paramagnetic. But here one thing which is in exceptional, that are doubly occupied electrons in Eg, that's why this both electron becomes paired, and hence due to this electronic configuration but Eg acquired paired of electron, hence it becomes diamagnetic. Because of here you find that DsP2 hybridization takes place with square planar geometry, and hence you will consider that rearrangement of electron in Eg orbital takes place and it becomes low spin complex, and inner 3d orbital is used in hybridization. That's why Eg with the paired electron and it becomes a diamagnetic. So you can understood how that this complex NiCN6 2- becomes diamagnetic, and you will find that which given complex is diamagnetic. You will go with option B, NiCN6 2- becomes diamagnetic because of, again I will tell you, that is doubly occupied Eg orbital due to dsp2 hybridization. It is called inner orbital complex or low spin complex, and that you can understood with the ligand field theory, which is not in your syllabus, so you can accept it that it becomes diamagnetic. You will check with the option A, C and D, it becomes paramagnetic, so it is not your correct option. Only B with the correct option, it becomes diamagnetic. That you understood very well.